Welcome to Digital Grads, the first stop for entry-level job hunters looking to start a career in the tech industry. In these videos, we'll be introducing you to our various training courses that are designed to help you prepare for your next step in life and make confident career decisions. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, we're looking at the Search Engine Marketing course. In a world where everything has become more streamlined and internet-focused, having good search engine marketing skills is essential in running a business or finding work. And so, there's a lot to learn about. But our course is here to help digest the information for you. But be sure not to learn too fast, or you'll get education indigestion. The course consists of 5 modules and quizzes for each lesson. The first module outlines the skills and attributes needed for a role in search marketing, which includes the sort of online presence you have and understanding the 5 types of entry-level roles in the field of search marketing, such as working SEO or search engine optimization, or PPC or pay-per-click. After these lessons, you will fill out a skills, attributes and experience worksheet to allow you to profile yourself on what makes you suited for search engine marketing. It might look daunting, but you can watch the videos as many times as you need to help you understand what you should put down. The second module goes into the nitty-gritty of the online search, and further understanding on how modern search engines work and how you can utilize them, the definition of the many acronyms that litter search engine marketing, and how it's a benefit to your company that you work for. And the last lesson of the module goes into the anatomy of a search page. Though that doesn't mean putting your iPad on a slab and dissecting it, that won't work. Believe me, I tried. And knowing the difference between free, paid, local and image listings. The following module goes into what SEO is and how to utilize it, and the Google algorithm to your advantage, and the kinds of tools and techniques to set up your first SEO campaign. This then leads into a big project for you to sink your teeth into. You'll be given a bunch of materials to analyze and audit a website of your choice's SEO. This will allow you to understand what SEO looks like or give you ideas on how to improve that website's SEO from what you have learnt. It can be quite fun, provided that you don't go to any dodgy websites. The fourth module goes into the nuts and bolts on how PPC works, understanding what Google's quality score is, the pros and cons of using it in contrast to just SEO, and how to set one up for yourself. And finally, the last module will include information on how to analyze search campaigns and data to use for your own campaign. There are, of course, quizzes dotted throughout the course, testing you on what you have learned, and as usual on Digital Grads, your score will be displayed on your profile for future employers to see. Though you can take the quiz up to 2 more times to get the best score that you possibly can. Of course, there's more to business than just knowing how Google affects it, and to learn about those things, type academy.digitalgrads into Google and find out more.